It was just another car meet, and everyone was starting to head home. But as one white Subaru tried to show off its drifting skills, things went wrong. The driver of the white Subaru lost control and nearly caused a serious accident. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but it could have ended very differently. This is a reminder that reckless driving can have serious consequences. It's important to always follow the rules of the road and drive safely. You won't believe what happened when a biker doing a wheelie gets caught by a cool cop. Let's dive in.
Uh-oh.
This is where things get interesting. Instead of chasing the biker down and giving him a ticket, the cop patiently waits for him to come to him.
What? What do I want? What do you want?
The cop doesn't get angry or aggressive. He simply tells the biker to keep it down. Listen to their conversation. Instead of escalating the situation, the cop handled it in a calm and professional manner. It's great to see officers who prioritize safety over punishment. We're going to talk about an angry dirt biker from the UK who had a rather unpleasant encounter with a black van driver. As you can see in the footage, the dirt biker is driving towards a roundabout on the inner lane. However, a black van driver cuts him off on the outer lane, which obviously doesn't sit well with the biker. In response, the biker flips the driver the middle finger, clearly expressing his anger and frustration. In this video, we're going to watch a young kid who's out practicing his dirt biking skills in the forest. He's getting ready for an upcoming game and wants to make sure he's in top form. He sets off on his bike, and everything seems fine at first. But then, he takes a tumble and falls off his bike. Within seconds, his trainer or dad comes over to check on him and see what happened. The kid reports that his bike wasn't working properly and he's going to fix it.
What happened, dude?
Thing what happened, I got too close to here and bounced off it. Then I got a little wiggly, then fall off.
Yeah, well, look. I see what happened. Look, right here, he went crazy. Look, when you're in here, watch. You gotta sit and put your leg out.
I was, but I did lean too far.
No, if you lean too far, you gotta gas it out.
Yeah, I was like that.
Okay, well, I'm gonna watch you do it over here.
Despite the fall, everything in the video is handled professionally, and thankfully, the kid doesn't suffer any serious injuries. The biker pulls over to the side of the road and the police officer comes up to him. Let us listen to their conversation.
How's it going?
How's it going, man?
Good.
Alright, well, the reason I'm stopping you, got a beautiful bike, by the way, just so you know.
Thank you.
Your registration came back expired. Do you have the current tabs for it?
Expire?
Yeah,
no, it's not expire. It can't be expire.
Okay.
Don't put on my
It's always
kickstand.
important to make sure that your vehicle registration is up to date to avoid any unnecessary issues on the road. If you do get pulled over for a registration issue, it's important to stay calm and cooperate with the police officer.
No, I got it.